Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making Lemon Poppy Cookies. Now before we get started, do you see the subscribe button over here? Yeah, there should be a subscribe button right over here that you can click on. Like, click it now. There you go. Now do you see this like button over here? Yeah, there should be a like on that you can smash on really hard, that hard as you can. Like, smash it now. There you go. Now let's get started. So my dad and I mise en place, but just...
Come on, man, you got this.
So my dad and I mise en place, but that's just French for everything in place.
Okay, say it like you actually know what you're talking about. Come on, man. I'm gonna put this on the blooper reel because you gotta get it. Come on, man.
So my dad and I mise en place, but that's just French for everything in place.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna crack the eggs and put all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Oh, my bad. Oh, saved it.
You ain't cracking it too hard, buddy.
Well, at least I saved it.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, let's don't crack on that part no more. Okay. Don't worry, Dad. That was not the first time that happened to me.
I know. I've been cooking with you for a few years now.
Yeah, and also that happened with me at Mom's house. Should I pour this already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In you go, eggs.
Yeah, you're in there with the shortening.
Yep.
Right, now what?
So what's next? I think I would have poured the sugar.
Okay, pour the sugar in. Pour some sugar on me.
Yeah. Alright. Get those last bit of sugar. Okay.
Now what's all this?
That's lemon extract and
Lemon juice.
lemon juice.
Well, the brown one is lemon juice and vanilla.
Yeah.
And then the
Lemon extract?
No. The clear one is lemon extract. This is lemon extract. I'm sorry. This is lemon extract and hold on, I messed that up. That's my fault. This is lemon extract. This is lemon juice and vanilla, and this is lemon juice. You can put all three of those in there.
Okay. In you go.
That's the extract. It's lemon extract.
I guess it's lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
In you go, lemon juice.
And vanilla and lemon juice.
Oh, that was close. In you go.
All right.
I'm just getting some shortening and sugar on it. So what is this, baking powder? I bet that's salt.
Yep, baking powder and salt.
Oh, okay. I just guess for the salt and the baking powder.
Okay. Come on.
Jeez. Okay, now we have all-purpose flour.
Yep, you gotta be careful with that.
Yeah, that you'll never know what happened. I'm just gonna do that.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, my bad.
I know you're gonna, cause you gotta be careful, man. You don't have a lot of experience pouring that.
But don't worry, everyone. Sometimes that happens.
Yeah, but we're not trying to waste flour either. And that's gonna affect the recipe. Look how much you spilled. That's gonna affect the recipe, man. That's like 2 tablespoons. All right, so let's fix that and we'll come back.
So now we're gonna raise the bowl and cut it on stir. Alright. I think this is stir. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, slung a little flour out you, huh?
Yeah, it's trying to get me.
Hey, you smell that lemon? You smell that lemon? You smell it?
Well, no, I don't smell. Oh, now I do. Oh.
Yeah, smells good. Boy.
Smells like barber. Like when you get your hair cut from the barber shop.
I hope not. I really hope not. All right, let's crank it up to 1. Get that dough off the hook. Okay, 2.
I think you're the wrong stitches.
All right, that's pretty much how it looks. Let's see. Yeah, it's not sticking in my finger as much as you want to. See, when you sling flour out of there, sometimes it'll make your dough sticky. So you gotta be careful not to spill flour. Okay.
Right.
All right, let's start panning this bad boy up.
Yep. It's important to scrape the bowl to get all the dirt the dough off the side.
And look, even in the bottom here, see? You want to make sure it's completely incorporated on the bottom of that bowl. Because that shortening and eggs and stuff, you want to make sure all that stuff is mixed up. So you see how that looks? That's cookie dough. All right, now let's go for the next part.
All right. So my dad is scooping the cookies out of the bowl onto the pan.
So we're gonna do 3 by 4, which equals what?
12.
There you go. You should get 12 cookies per pan.
All right.
And I'm using the ice cream scoop, number 30, which is a typical size I use for cookies. That way I get a uniform look. So if you have an ice cream scooper, you can use this for more than just ice cream. You can use it for cookies too.
Yep, that is actually true.
All right, so I got 12 cookies, and then we're going to decorate them with the poppy seed and lemon zest.
Okay.
Are you ready? So let's go make that.
All right. So we have a mixture of poppy seeds and sugar. And now my dad's gonna add lemon zest.
Yep, lemon zest. Let me show you how to create lemon zest. Got a bowl here. This is the lemon juice that we squeezed earlier, so I took a fresh lemon and squeezed the juice out of it.
Yep.
This here is called a microplane. You got that in the shop? All right, that's a microplane. You can get this for about 12 bucks. We're gonna take the skin of the lemon zest and we're gonna shave it.
And Dad told me what a microplane is.
Yep. Micro just means small, and plane means the surface. So I'm just scraping a small surface area of the lemon.
Okay, so Dad, what are we gonna do with
Look,
this?
see the lemon zest? All right, I'm glad you asked that. As soon as I'm done getting some of the zest off of here, see how much zest is in there? You see that?
Oh yeah.
Now watch this. You just push it right down into there.
Okay, that's nice.
All right, there you go. And if that's not enough, do the other half. That's it.
So Dad, what is lemon zest?
Lemon zest is this little, the exterior part of the skin of a lemon. This is where all the flavors, this is where the oil in the lemon comes from. So when we're making lemonade or anything like that, the smell that you get comes out of the zest, comes out of the skin of the lemon. That's why it's good to wash all your fruit when you get it.
Oh, whoa. Hold on, can you show me the lemon real quick?
See how the lemon's been peeled?
Oh.
I took the yellow stuff off the lemon.
Okay, and what are you
And look
gonna
at the other
do?
one. See?
Okay.
So now it's here.
Okay. And now what are you gonna do with all this?
All right, you're gonna see. All right, so we're back. Had to wash my hands real quick. So you see this? You just stir it around a little bit. So now you have lemon zest, sugar, and poppy seeds, right?
Yep.
Stir that around. There we go. And then you dip the cookies on top of this.
Yep. See that cookie right there? That's actually some kind of good dough.
There you go.
Oh!
Lemon Poppy Cookies.
Alright. Alright, you gonna do another dough?
I'm gonna do all of them.
Okay. Alright.
All right, we'll be right back. Now here's the Lemon Poppy Cookies right here. Let's get these bad boys in the oven, Troy.
Alright. Oh. Steam.
Open it a little bit more. It's not steam, buddy. It's heat.
Well, heat.
Ready
Oh,
to
that heat. It's actually making me feel like I'm melting. Now, how many minutes are we supposed to put on?
Bake this at 325 for about 12 minutes.
Alright. What is? I forgot which button.
Cook time. 12. Hit start.
There you go.
All right, let's get it.
Oh man, those cookies look great, Dad.
Yeah, they look good.
Mm-hmm.
Spread it a bit much, that's fine. All right, we'll let these bad boys cool for about 10 minutes.
Alright. So here's our Lemon Poppy Cookies. Those are actually delicious. Wait to try them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video, please. Bye!